cleaning out your closet and selling that old purse or old pair of shoes for maybe $30 or $50, however much you would want to sell it, you could be taxed unless you can provide an original receipt proving that you're selling it at a loss. 1099-K, that's the tax form for disclosing transactions with the services such as PayPal, Venmo, and Airbnb. Until this year, anyone with less than $20,000 in total payments typically didn't get a 1099-K. In theory, someone could avoid paying taxes on money earned on such platforms. The government ended that this year. PayPal, Venmo, and Airbnb have been required to report gross payments of more than $600 directly to the Internal Revenue Service. That means small business owners, as well as people who like selling old stuff instead of throwing it away, will receive a 1099-K from any service provider if their income exceeds more than $600. And I mean, we could argue that we advocate for paying taxes. It's an obligation to our country. But many users don't separate their personal transactions from business revenue on Venmo or other platforms. And the services don't always make it easy. The rule change will create an administrative headache. How many of us have a roommate who we used to send our share of the rent via Venmo? That's most likely more than $600. I personally use Venmo to pay bills, receive money from friends for their share, for the bill, for dinner, as well as receive fees for work that I do. It's not the end of the world. You can always open a second bank account for commercial activities. Alternatively, you can separate payments by platform. You can use Venmo for personal use and PayPal for your business-related fees. Don Frigo, an e-commerce manager for Best Price Nutrition, an international seller of bodybuilding supplements, said that this is going to make life difficult for tiny independents without doing much to raise tax revenue. After all, billionaires and millionaires aren't cheating on taxes $600 at a time. This has been Natalie Denise with Noble Gold Investments. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the button on the notification bell to get all the updates and news.